Hayi bafethu njengoba ngishilo ngijabulile yabona namhlanje ngihleli nobani usisitandose from MTV Base. Manicabanga nje nani nizomkhumbula lapha emakhaya. Ngicela ukubuza ukuthi sithomba sami ufila kanjani nje namhlanje ngale atmosphere ela eDavidson.
Ngijabule kakhulu kumnandi ukubona umphakathi uhlangene especially ngesports. So woo! Something just happened. Yeah, I'm just happy. Shout out, oh my gosh, shout out to Ruta, shout out to Shonga Street Davidson, hello, shout out to you because you're amazing.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's it, thank you.
Thank you very much. Thanks.
We're very excited like at Toto TV. I got my boy Gustavo. How do you feel about today, my brother?
Yeah, hello, it's Toto TV. So boy Gustavo, man, if it's nice to say it twice. Intezinja is grand for Rikasi. You know why? Maybe I love this such things for three things, man. Firstly, it's encourage abantu let's get this paper. There's no time for drugs here. There's no time for doing dumb things here. Integrate, skopena, yabona sibahle kanjani eDavidson. Skopene, it gives people something to look forward to. You know, we don't have a lot of activities, especially for Rintwana, and we have a lot of talented people here in the hood. So into ezinje zasinceda ukuthi siqoqane, sazane kangcono, sazi ukuthi ubani ogood kuphi nakuphi nakuphi. But into eyiwane engithandela yona ilento yokuqoqana. Yeah.
Ngiyabona itrip ixoxa indaba ndoda, ngiyayibona ndoda, it's on par ndoda. Manje umxoxiso wobani umugcoke kamnandi kanje?
Me, you know me, I run my own shop, Thrift. It's a thrift shop. I always dress myself, man. The only thing I buy at the shop, at the mall, is sneakers. But otherwise, I'm a thrift nigga. You can check out my shop online. It's called Thrift Clothing Store. So I dress myself, thrift. Shout out to me. Shout out to the hip hop team, the Mapiano team for showing up and respecting Davidson. You know, good for them. Hey, boy. You good, I'm good. Yeah, so sure, bro.
Showcase.
So you know, shout out to Cowboy and his team. Shout out to everybody who said Davidson about supporting Tezinje. You know, we need more. We need awards. We need more. We need something like this every weekend. Not every once in a while, man. Davidson in a vibe, and we can't be grooving into amelanga zenzeke ebusuku kuphela. Sicela nalezi zasemini zibe permanent every week. Siyacela. So bese Toto TV.
Sabona bhuti wami kunjani?
Ngiyaphila futhi njani?
Siyabonga inkabi records la ekhaya. Uzizwa kanjani namhlanje njengoba ula eDavidson?
Ngizizwa ngijabule kakhulu ukubala ngiyayikhalela nje isikhathi engisimoshile ngoba ngilate kahle ufuna abade ngifikile indlela omnandi ngayo. Shout out to Toto TV ngathi ningakhula niye phambili nithola ababukela abaningi shayela.
Sibonge bhuti, thank you. Sharp.
Sawona bhuti menu njani? Ngicela ukubuza nje just a few questions. Ucabangani ngale event njengoba yenzeka la eDavidson ukuthi what impact does it have?
No, it's a very good initiative by Cowboy, man. You know, it's uniting a lot of artists, it's uniting a lot of community leaders in the community itself. So I think it's a very good initiative. Yeah.
Bengasas introduce ngasi Toto TV thina sicela nje just a shout out.
Okay, shout out to Toto TV. It's your boy Team Express, the vocalist. Samba kanje.
Okay, njani?
I am Nando na.
Skip on further.
Skipping next, Justice Chidile sibukela ibhola again.
Showcase. How's the atmosphere njani?
Hayi kumnandi kakhulu sho. Mara ngikhulume kakhulu because mina abantu bayangena yabo beza kimi bayangibulisa so maybe mina ngijabulele lokho yabo
Showcase. Siyajabula njengoba upusha content njengoba uyi-artist la eDavidson yasekasi. We very proud of you njaka gogo. Sicela nje ushaye shout out nje for Toto TV.
Okay, shout out to Toto TV. Cela ubafollow ku Facebook ne? Instagram also YouTube ikhona.
Showcase.
Cela ubafollow usubscribe ku YouTube futhi. Anko.
Thank you siyabonga njaka gogo.
Hola.
Sanibona igama ubanele abangaziyo bangazingodi baba umnikazi we-Minus Revenge Clothing.
Alright, ayinazwela ukuthi une Minus Revenge Clothing. Niyayibona bafethu nani. Sicela ukuthi nimsupport kakhulu. Ngicela ukuthi namhlanje ngikubuza nje ngeatmosphere yalana ukuthi ucabangani ngama event aso for eDavidson as a whole.
Ma event nje sawajabulela cause kunabantwana abancane, abantwana engamelanga abakhule bayenza izinto ezirong. Lento eyenzakalayo yakha abantwana abancane bazokwazi ukukhula ngendlela e-right babona ama-example ukuthi abantu abadala badlala ibhola noma bacula mara at the end khona into abayenzayo so overall abantu nabo bangafunda bayenza into zabo babuye baziphathe kahle so this event is all about ukubonisa abantwana abancane ukuthi siyakhula siyenza kanje stay away from dark stay away from crime into ezinjalo nje kuphela.
This is Twitter TV kumnandi la eThoma 7 kunjani njaka gogo
ngiyaphila njani wathami
yizo usizwa kanjani mfana
angizizwa crash up ngizwa wena uMarafiri azakhipha iyathami yonke into imnandi amajuti ayahlanganisile vele into emoja ngithola ukuthi singahlangana umculo kuphela sihlangane nama-disc wise understand yeah sharp nangokuswima sangahlangana ngithola
showcase ngiyabonga njaka gogo bheka ke njaka gogo ngicela ushaye shout out to eThotho TV
TV
eThotho TV
eThotho TV eThotho TV asho zavalana Soweto eThotho TV 1 bafethu eThotho TV simnandi sisonke si-obsess phelele sinje si-west uyangithola thank
you
Just a shout out for eThotho TV.
Shout out bafethu izoboy miyano nazo into abafethu zokalana nzima kangani zobukela ibhola
Mncane nje nge-drip yakho yayumuhle kakhulu namhlanje uqokise ubani?
Isigqokele.
Awuziqokela umuhle kakhulu sithandwa sami ucabangani nje ngale event?
Yo.
Kumnandi wenzakalani la eDavidson?
Mnandi ngiya-enjoya yo mina
All right, any shout outs khona umuntu ongathi hayi kuye?
yo.
All right, ngiyabonga ne. Introduceni amagama wenu bobani?
mina igama lami owami eDavidson bangazi noShenko
mina igama lami asiphe eDavidson bangazi ngosushi.
Okay, ezabantwana abancane nicabangani nje ngale event lene kanjeni ukuthi ama-artist anilethele amanye ama-artist lana umkhawuzaza nje nicabangani?
ukuthi bayenza izinto eziningi emphakathini yabo ukuthi sijabule nathi sabantu.
Mina ngicabanga ukuthi bayenza into right yabo ukuthi so preventa izinto ezifana nokubhema nezinye izinto yabo.
All right, hayi ngiyabonga kakhulu. Shout out nisishayile shout out lapha eThotho TV lena nisho ukuthi nje basifollow abantu.
Okay, shout out sicela nifollow eThotho TV bafethu.
Kanjani live uthi eDavidson ikasi lokucala lokuba negesi? Elokuqala lokuba negesi showcase nje. Ntwana ngizizwa ngimnandi kusekasi mfethu siyafana sonke Thembisa Soweto waya angibamba. Kahle nje kagogo siyabonga ukuthi ube la ikasi. How's the atmosphere nje kagogo? Very tough mfana uyabona amachita afikile vele ngegame nomasikazi. Unamanga. But I am representing nje kuphela because serious uyabona amachita vele abizile kasi lonke laphuma vele la support so into great mfana. Showcase ukuthi ikasi lenza kanje. Siyabonga njaka. Awubambele. Uthini njaka gogo great? Mnandi na? Ngimnandi usizwa kanjani mfana?
Ilanga le-grand ngibona amachita sisegamini nawo yabo bayenza into grand for the community and shout out man to abo Team Express abo Scott Mapuma yo Cowboy abo 10 times Guluva nabo Touchline abo Big Zulu. This thing abayithunayo it's a really great thing, you know, and kumele support lana my group yabo if it takes ukuthi umuntu agibele itaxi aze Davidson kumele ngize showcase ngicela into eyi-1 nje kagogo ngicela uthi shout out to eThotho TV. Shout out to eThotho TV bafethu Kamala Musha Mathishi cousin ka Beyonce ka Cardi B. Thank you so much.
Thank you brother.
What advice can you give to young streamers? As a streamer, an advice you give to young streamers, just start dog. Yeah, you don't need to cry. If it does by Maslangana now along the way. Pori gave me a MacBook, gave me a streaming cam. He met me along the way. What do you need? You understand? So to all the kids, not only just streamers, everyone that wants to just flip and start. That's the only thing I can tell them.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you. Shout out.
Hi everyone, my name is Zitumele, but my friends call me JD Mafia 011.
All right, Siyabonga kakhulu. What do you think of this event eyenzakala eDavidson?
It's very nice. It's very nice. I'm just vouching for my team Chambore to take it back to the hood with us. And that's otherwise Cowport did a very nice thing here. And I see there's a lot of people who came to support, and yeah, I'd like to say a shout out to Cowboy for that.
All right, still on the shout out part, can you please just shout out for eThotho TV and anyone you would like to shout out at?
It's Toto TV.
It's Twatwa.
Twatwa.
Yes.
Oh, shout out Toto TV and your name? Elisha. Shout out Elisha. Shout out the camera guy. Shout out to Cowboy for making this possible, for joining everyone together today. Shout out.
Thank you very much.
No, ngijabulile ukuba sevutha Davidton vele kaslam nami yabo. Ngiye Eastrand.
Showcase uzizwa kanjani ngathi uwinile nje akakho uzizwa kanjani?
Lezi amapiano sesiz fast nje siya ku final manje.
Showcase ngicela uthi shout out to Etwatwa TV please.
Shout out to Etwatwa TV, Rashid K, Hip Hop FC.
Any shout out? Any shout outs? Shout out to Cowboy, shout out to Lulus.
Etwatwa TV.
What?
Etwatwa TV.
Etwatwa TV, shout out to you guys. How do you feel being here? Hey man, kumnandi mfethu. It's a nice day, the sun is out, everyone's having fun. Yeah, so enjoy boys.
Thank you very much. Sawona butami. Unjani? Ngicela ukubuza ukuthi ufila kanjani ngale event namhlanje siThotho TV just nje small nyana questions.
No, it was nice. Thina obvious ngisawa. Ngishiywe kabuhlungu ngithanda ukuthi event on right, the energy was nice. Yo, everyone came to support, it was so nice. Mnandi.
As Thotho TV nje sicela just a shout out Thotho TV.
Shout out to Thotho TV, so boy Prima 19 aka Brantman aka Zing Zong Nazeng.
Thank you very much. How do you feel about this event?
Spectacular. It's a great opportunity for not only the players, the celebrities themselves, but also everyone, the community, the kids. They get inspired by seeing us play. They don't get to see us live, you know. So that's a big motivation and inspiration. So I can take that.
We are at Thotho TV. Please just a shout out for people to follow us.
Thotho TV. This is Twalesi, the MC from Gomora. Mute Spam Senyoni. Dubula Magazine. Safa Inzala.
I'm cool. It's your boy Sean ICT, you know what it is. If you don't know what it is what it is.
Alright, ngicela ukubuza ukuthi how do you feel about such events ezenzeka la eDavidton njengoba kwenzeka so namhlanje? How does this impact eDavidton?
One thing I can tell you is that it took us almost 15 years to get where we are right now. You understand? Abo Scott Mapuma, abo Cowboy, us, abo like we are there because of we put too much impact and us hustling so much ukuthi size sifike la sikhona ne ibhola out of any kasi that you can think of bebangalithathi serious until Davidton came through babonisa ukuthi yazini we've got this. Yeah.
Alright, siyabonga kakhulu njengeThotho TV nje any shout outs?
Any shout out? Shout out to TT. That's my boy. Shout out to Zagaman. Shout out to me, Sean ICT. You know what it is. If you don't know what it is, shout out to Happy Val. Shout out to Physical. I can name a lot of shout outs, ne? But I'm gonna say shout out to everybody. Shout out to Etwatwa TV. That's all I can say. Any other question that you would like?
No, ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Oh, ngathi usabubuza imbuzo wena.
You don't want to say bye to anyone? Okay.
I feel like I'm just rushing to a show for the match, but I hope the boys win the final.
Baba fethu ngiphethe usiyashezi unjani Putwana?
Jojo Fere
yizo uzizwa kanjani ngale event namhlanje?
Yonke into grand ka yonke into grand abantu bafikile Hip Hop FC winile shabat mina rabetha angithola so ku grand but intwana ezincane zijabulile zishuthile ithombe abo sister bayitholile content amasoccer player jabulile abomrap amapiano artists abantu bajabulile,
which is good my brother. Bengicela ukuthi ushaya ama shout out for Etwatwa TV. Etwatwa TV.
Yeah, sure. Yeah. Shout out Etwatwa TV. Sebutha mosi.
Yes.
Let's go nebutha. Shout out Etwatwa TV. Let's go nebutha.
Welele. Thank you ngiyabonga Putwana.
Now to wrap it up, sesiyahamba la eMabuya bafethu bekuzwakele nje kugcwele wonke umuntu bekalana bekujabuliwe sonke si happy nama-artist wethu nje. Siyabonga kakhulu ukuhlala nathi la eThotwa TV. Until the next episode, it's your girl Elihle Themba signing out.
Showcase siyabonga elanga namhlanje kumkhawuzaza ukuthi angayiphinda futhi lento emnandi. It's your boy Happy Valley. Abamaziyo bathi cabanga sengicabanga umcabango owucabangayo. Till the next episode. Yizo.
Let me tell you, I'm motivated by you, poop on your mind. I'm a hater, abaya, marang naskati sokal. Ang nasiskati soklala, ngoba sing sisangan daw. Ngayego kala, de dengis wa matuba abaya. Ang shalyang buga bantu nami, one thing afuga ngay tata. I want the money and them cars. I want them bitches and them bras. I want them houses and them yards.